Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. In this video, I'm going to show you some Christmas gift ideas. The first DIY is a print t-shirt. Print an image. Remember to mirror the image for light color shirts. If you skip this step, all text in your design will be unreadable. Cut out the image, leaving a narrow margin of 1 to 3 millimeters around the edge. Iron the t-shirt. Place the image side facing down onto the fabric. Press the iron firmly over the clothing, pushing down with your whole hand for significant pressure. Don't forget the corners and edges. Peel away from the fabric in a smooth, even movement, starting from one corner. And here is the result. The second DIY is a scarf, which is very easy to make. I'm going to use 8mm needles. All knitting starts with casting on. This creates loops on the needle, which will become the first row of stitches. Cast on 50 stitches. Garter stitch is one of the easiest and most common stitch patterns in knitted fabrics. The third and last DIY are bracelets from plastic bottle. Cut out the bracelet shape from the bottle. Set the iron on medium heat. Gently press the plastic ring on the iron. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.